Hello guys, it is me Saanvi Gupta, and today I'm going to teach you a lesson that's called ocean. I'm going to teach you about oceans. So let's start. Do you want to know that how to make lattice PowerPoint? So in my next video I will show you how to make lattice PowerPoints. So now let's move on to the next video. Now today we will study about what is the ocean, some names of ocean, information related to ocean, what is ocean water made of, some common water animals, water pollution, effects and causes of water pollution, ways to end water pollution from our environment, facts about oceans. So now, what is an ocean? An ocean is a body of water that composes much of planet's hydrosphere. Means a ocean is a very large body of water that takes almost all the planet's hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is also called the water part of the planet. On Earth, an ocean is one of the major conventional divisions of world ocean. Means that on Earth an ocean is the major normal divisions of world ocean. The phrases the ocean or the sea is used without specification refer to interconnected body of salt water. Means the phrases the ocean and the phrases the sea is used without any difficulty to the interconnected body of salt water, which covers almost half of majority of Earth's surface. As a general term, the ocean is most interchangeable with sea. Means as a normal term that the ocean is also called the sea in American English, but this doesn't happen in British English. When we strictly speak a sea, when we strictly see that what is a sea, it is a body of water which is generally a part of world ocean, which meets the land partially or fully. And now let's move on to the next one. Now some names of ocean. As you all know that there are also types of ocean. Means the ocean is divided into 5 parts: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. These names are in order. Means the Pacific is the largest, then Atlantic Ocean comes, then Indian Ocean comes. Whereas I am also from India. Then the Southern Ocean comes, and then the Arctic Ocean comes. Arctic is the smallest and Pacific is the biggest. You have to remember this. And as you all know that Earth is round, so one side Pacific Ocean is there, and the other side all the continents and other oceans are there. That's why at both the sides you can see Pacific Ocean. Now we will know some more information related to the ocean. Do you know the ocean is a continuously body of salt water that covers more than 70% of Earth's surface. Means the ocean flows continuously, and it is also called salt water that covers almost half of the Earth's surface. Ocean currents Earth's weather and churn a kaleidoscope of life. Means ocean currents govern and the world's weather, and also it is a major part of our life. Humans depend on these steaming waters for comfort and survival. Means the water which we get is purified, and the humans depend on these steaming means these means flowing waters for comfort and survival. But uh, but uh, but because of our because we are doing global warming, and we are fishing very much, which is also called overfishing, is a, is a, a is a danger for Earth's largest habitat. Now you must be thinking, what is ocean water made of? See, this pie chart is made by me. So in this, calcium is blue, potassium is red, magnesium is green, purple is sodium, chlorine is blue, and others are orange. So we find chlorine in water, which is found in swimming pool mostly, is the largest. Chlorine in water is the largest. Then sodium, means sodium is added into is there in the ocean water, second largest. Then then we then we find magnesium. Sorry, we find other sources 60%. Okay, then magnesium is there in ocean water, 3.65%, potassium 1.13%, and calcium is added the smallest, which isn't good, 1.17%. Now you also have to know some common aquatic animals, like this is a stingray, this is seal, this is a whale, this is a seahorse, this is a squid, this is a shell, this is a shrimp, this is a crab, this is a starfish, this is a shark. Oops, sorry. And the last one, this is a dolphin. These are some common aquatic animals of the ocean, and you also have to remember these, because these are found most in the ocean. Now you know already. Oceans are getting polluted in water fast speed. So, do you know what is water pollution? Let me explain. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer, or other body of water, degrading water quality and rendering it toxic to humans or environment. Means water pollution occurs when harmful substances like chemicals or microorganisms contaminate, means make it toxic in a stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer, or other body of water, which degrades the water quality, and it makes the water more toxic to humans or to the whole environment. Now, do you know the effects and causes of water pollution? Let me explain. The most common three causes of water pollution are: we dump too much industrial waste, we wash, bath, etc., and do a lot of activities in river water which pollutes it. Inadequate sewage collection treatment. This point means that we put too much sewage collection and treatment which causes water pollution. Effects of water pollution. Diseases. In humans, drinking or consuming polluted water in any way has many disastrous effects on our health. Means if for example, if a human think that this circle is a human, okay, let me draw some eyes, and this human is drinking polluted water, very dirty water, or very polluted food. It can lead into many ways such as vomiting, etc. And also typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, and various other diseases are including in it. Now, destruction of ecosystems means if the water gets polluted, you all know that the plant need water, sunlight, and soil for photosynthesis or to survive. And if the water gets polluted, this may lead to destruction of ecosystem. Ecosystem means plants and animals. Now, ecosystems are extremely dynamic and respond to even small changes in the environment. Means the ecosystems are extremely sensitive, and also they are not like us, like we know that this is polluted or not, and also they are also living, you all know, but they don't have brains like us, so they can also they don't know what to do, so they respond to small changes in the environment also. Water pollution can cause entire ecosystem to collapse if left unchecked. Means if we don't respond to the water pollution happening in all the global environment, then this can cause the collapse of whole ecosystem if we left it unchecked. Eutrophication means the chemicals in water body encourage the growth of algae. These algae form a layer on top of the pond or lake. Bacteria feed on this algae, and this decreases the amount of oxygen in the water body, severely affecting the aquatic life there. Means if there are chemicals in a water body, then it can encourage the growth of algae. You all know algae, the green substance that are found in that are usually found in river or lakes. This algae form a top layer on a pond or lake. Also, you also know that algae are not soluble; they are insoluble. So they form a top layer of the pond or lake, like the oil, which forms a top layer on the water. Then bacteria feed on this algae. means the bacteria which are present in the water feed on this algae, and this decreases the amount of oxygen. You know that what is the formula of water? H2O. The formula of water is H2O, means hydrogen plus oxygen forms water. And if the oxygen decreases, this oxygen decreases, then then the water will also finish, because it needs a lot of oxygen to form water. So if the oxygen finishes there, so it can affect the aquatic life in water. Now this column chart is also made by me. See how much pollutants that are entering in water currently. Sewage is entering 30%. Air pollutants are entering 20%. Farm runoff are also entering 20%. Industrial wastewater are entering 10%. Maritime transportation is also entering 10%. Offshore oil and litter are entering 5%. Now, we also have some ways to end water pollution, but no one is following these. So please, if you don't follow this, if anybody doesn't follow it, please notice them and tell them why we need to follow these ways. And if you are not following this, so please I'm telling you, then please follow this, so we have a better environment, and this does not leads to the collapse of our whole environment. Now, first is save water. Saving water is the best way to end water pollution. If we waste water, then more and more dirty things will come in that water and mix with ocean, and this will lead to what? You know, collapse of the environment. Better treatment of sewage. We should also control over the sewage that we are dumping into the water, and also use environment friendly products. Do you know one thing? I have one story for you, that in 1915, one man was there. He throwed a plastic cup in the beach. 1915, 15, not 50. Okay. And then one day in 2019 only, in July, someone found that cup and saw it was plastic only, and it had no damage. And from this we get evidence of the plastic, that plastic doesn't damages or mix with soil for hundreds and millions of years. Now we will see some facts about the ocean. Do you know? Now I will read these facts for you. Our ocean cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. The majority of life on Earth is aquatic. That was wrong spelling. Aquatic, yes. Less than 5% of planet's ocean have been explored. Means we have not known the ocean only till now. Less than 5% of the planet's ocean have been explored. World's longest mountain chain is underwater. There are more historic artifacts under the sea than in all of the museums. What? How they exist there? Is there only no fraction of marine species in our ocean? Over 70% of our planet's oxygen is produced by ocean. It's possible to find rivers and lakes beneath the ocean. You know why? Because you all know that river water and lake water mix with ocean afterward. So it is possible. Around 50% of US lies beneath the ocean. Yeah, you could see the world map only here. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. It contains about 25,000 islands. Oh my god! Now, our lesson is finished. And also, thank you all for seeing this video. Thank you. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos so you are the first